So I'm discussing about the Google bookmarks. Google bookmarks is submission only for one time for your URL. That is based on your URL and title and keywords. Google bookmarks purpose of one is called backlinking. Google bookmarks purpose one is for backlinking generation purpose. Second thing is that our link promote our SEO title and description. Our SEO links promote your SEO title and description. Suppose you're writing for some title and description for that link. The link promoted by Google bookmarks. That's the option. And second option, we can promote our videos. We can promote our videos using Google bookmarks. We can submit our link only for one time. We submit our link only for one time. Only for one time. Is edit that link. That possible only for content purpose. That possible for changing content purpose. Write down URL google.com/bookmarks. google.co.in/bookmarks. So this is my Google bookmarks. Is it clear? Before submitting Google bookmarks, first of all prepare your content. That is called your title and descriptions are very important. Title and your description. First time prepare the title and description here. So clear? This is my title. This is my tags here. So first of all go to the Google bookmarks. First copy your URL. Here I'm clicking for India Design Projects. Copy this URL. Now I'm going to the Google bookmarks. Here the option will be there. Just come to scroll on here. Now click for add bookmark. First add your website URL. After that your name of your purpose of keyword. So we enter this option, interior design and decoration in Hyderabad. Now your label, add your places for your. So I'm adding the places here. Now just click, write your notes, same option. Now click for add bookmark. Always you're writing the content will be like this also. With your contact details. With your contact details. Click for add bookmark. Now see. Highlighting my content. So highlighting my keywords. Allocation. If anybody clicking for Madhapur, my content is highlighted. Which location? Is located for Madhapur area. So clear? Your tags are important from your Google bookmarks. Title will be called Interior Design and Decorators in Hyderabad. You can change your title, but labels are important. Label nothing but your keywords and your locations. Same like that. Just take this one, go to contact. With this one, each link will be different submission will be there. Copy this URL. I am clicking for this add bookmark. Copy this URL. First of all, I am taking for this one for label purpose. Yes or no? After that, taking this one. A small correction here. Just home to top interior designers and decorators in Hyderabad. After that, add your details here. Option, click for add bookmark. So how much time taken for indexing this URL? If you click this URL, they're going to wait. Two advantages. One is called your website backlink. Second will be called promote your keyword based on the different places. That is called your label. Is it clear? This is called Google Bookmarks. And here one doubt. Sir, how will we promote our videos? Select your YouTube videos. First, which is less than views are there. Select this video. So click for mute in this video. First copy this YouTube URL. Listen carefully. Just go to Google Bookmarks. Add here. Just copy this one. Here, what is the main URL is this? See this. Kugarpalli. Now just done. Kama, Hyderabad. But my locations are same, common. We can promote this. Paste it. This will be called. Copy this one. Now here, select your contact details. Click for add bookmark. One is called your YouTube backlink. Second thing is your promote your title. What is my title here? Interior design product in Rainbow Vista. If anybody copy this link, they're going to wear our YouTube video. This is called we can promote your videos. But link will be submitted only for one time. If you click for edit, you can change your title, labels and description. When you change it for link, we can't change your link. Link submission only for one time. Link submission only for one time. Is that clear? This is for Google Bookmarks. The one-time submission for generate your keywords for Google search engine purpose. Second thing is your backlink purpose. Please write down Google Bookmarks. Google Bookmarks for purpose. One is called backlink purpose. One is called backlink purpose. Second one, our keyword indexing on Google search engine purpose for using Google Bookmarks. Title, link, labels, and content.